Introducing the JBRC Garage Rampinator 1.0.
Nice. It's the name still with marketing. It hasn't been.
True. Show you how quick you set it up. Boom. But maybe your buddy wants to use it and you want it a little steeper. Simply adjust these. Tighten them a little bit. You're going to have a ramp that's steeper. Or loosen it for the kids and let them not have quite the ramp to be perfectly level. Right here. So what do? Because your jump might be a little bit angled. Just adjust this. They're independently adjustable. The only one on the market with independent adjustments on its legs. This is the only one you need, folks. This is the only ramp you'll ever need. Your opportunities are limited by your imagination. Let me show you how it works. First time on video with the JBRC Rampinator 1000.
Were you jumping onto the table?